Greetings, food enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of Mexican desserts, with a particular focus on the mouth-watering pastel de tres leches, also known as three-milk cake. Get ready to be amazed by some interesting facts about this beloved treat. Prepare to have your taste buds tantalized as we uncover some fascinating and lesser-known facts about the renowned Mexican pastel de tres leches. Now, let's dive into the preparation process and make this heavenly cake together. Mixing the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. Adding flour, baking powder, and vanilla extract, then mixing until smooth. Baking the sponge cake until golden brown. Pouring the three milks mixture over the cake, allowing it to absorb gradually. Now whipping the heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Spreading the whipped cream evenly over the cake, creating a luscious and creamy layer. And voila! Our Mexican pastel de tres leches is ready to be enjoyed. Just look at how moist and indulgent it looks. Pastel de tres leches is a true testament to the cultural convergence in Mexican cuisine. While it has strong Latin American roots, this cake draws influences from European sponge cakes and the Middle Eastern concept of soaking bread or pastries in sweetened milk. Pastel de tres leches is a star on the festive table during Mexican celebrations. Whether it's birthdays, weddings, or holidays like Cinco de Mayo, this cake holds a special place in the hearts and palates of Mexicans as a symbol of joy and indulgence. One of the secrets behind the remarkable moistness of pastel de tres leches lies in its sponge cake. Unlike traditional cakes, the sponge for tres leches is intentionally light and porous, allowing it to soak up the luscious milk mixture while retaining its structure. The use of sweetened condensed milk in pastel de tres leches can be attributed to the ingenuity of Gail Borden, an American inventor. In the mid-19th century, Borden revolutionized the preservation of milk by developing condensed milk, which ultimately found its way into this iconic Mexican dessert. Over the years, the traditional pastel de tres leches has evolved to encompass an array of exciting flavor variations. From adding hints of cinnamon or coffee to incorporating fruity flavors like strawberry or mango, the possibilities are endless, allowing for delightful taste adventures. Pastel de tres leches has transcended borders and gained international popularity. It has become a beloved dessert in various countries, from the United States and Canada to parts of Europe and Asia. Its unique blend of creamy, moist indulgence has captivated taste buds worldwide. And there you have it. These captivating facts shed light on the rich heritage and widespread love for the exquisite Mexican pastel de tres leches. It's not just a cake, it's a cultural delight that continues to enchant dessert enthusiasts across the globe. Remember to try this remarkable cake yourself and embrace the magic of tres leches. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy baking!